Hello friends, welcome back. Here we will solve this algebraic problem, and it is if x minus 14 that is equal to 4 square root 14, then we'll have to find the value of x raised to the power 4 plus x square plus 1, and whole term is divided by x cube plus 1. Now for solving these algebraic expressions, from here we can take out the value of x very easily. Now first of all we'll focus on this part. So it is in the form of x4. We can write x square and its whole square. So we'll write x square and its whole square, and the value of it will come x4. Similarly, we'll write plus x square as x square and multiplied by 1, and 1 as we'll write 1 square, and that is divided by, and similarly we'll write x cube and 1 as 1 cube. Now if you look at it, is in the form of a square plus a times b and b square, means it is in the form of a square plus ab plus b square. Now making this expression in the square form, we will add plus ab. Look at here, we will write a square plus ab, we will write 2ab plus b square. Here we have added 1ab, so we will subtract ab. Now it is a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square minus ab. Now in place of a we'll write x square and b 1. So now look at here, we'll put the value, that is x square plus 1 and its whole square minus ab. A means x square, so x square and b is 1. Now we'll simplify it. It is x square plus 1 and its square minus x square. Now again, if you look at it, is in the form of a square minus b square. We will let this x square plus 1 as a, so it is a square, and this term b will take x, so it is b square. Now a square minus b square, a square minus b square, and we know the formula of a square minus b square, that is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So here a means x square plus 1, so we'll write x square plus 1, and b means x, so plus x, and here we'll multiply it by x square plus 1, and b means minus x, we'll write minus x. So now we have got our expression in factorized form, so we'll write it x square, and we'll write x first plus x and plus 1. Similarly, this value we'll write x square minus x plus 1. So here we have taken minus first and plus 1 later, and in the denominator we have a cube plus b cube, and it is in the form of a cube plus b cube, and the formula of a cube plus b cube in terms of a plus b is a plus b multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square. So here a means x, b means 1, so in place of a we'll write x, so it is x plus 1 and multiplied by x square and x minus x into 1 plus b square. This is the value of this term, so we'll write this term here, it is x plus 1, and now we have multiplied by this term, so we'll write it here, so it is x square, so 1 times x is negative x, so negative x plus 1. Now if you look at the denominator, this value and this value will be cancelled, so we'll be left with x square, so here x square plus x and plus 1, and this is divided by x plus 1. Now I will solve these expressions. Now we'll use one trick, so we'll separate this, we'll split this expression, we'll write x square plus x separately, and we'll write plus 1, and that is divided by x plus 1. Now we'll divide this term by x plus 1, so if we'll divide it, we can take x common from here, so x common, and the remaining is x plus 1. So we have taken x here, so it is 1 only, and plus 1, and whole term is divided by x plus 1. Now the next step, we will divide x plus 1 by both the terms. So we'll write it here. We'll divide x into x plus 1 and divide by x plus 1. So we have separated here. It is x plus 1 and plus 1 will divide by x plus 1. So for solving here, the x plus 1 and x plus 1 will be cancelled. So we have left with x plus 1 over x plus 1. Now we'll erase this. This was for understanding only. Now in the next part, we will focus on the x value. So here we'll write x is equal to, we can equate this 14 will come in the right hand side. It will be plus 14. So it is 14 plus 4 square root 14. So we have one value of x, and now another value we'll have to calculate, x plus 1. So from here we'll add 1. So it is x plus 1, and in the right hand side we'll add 1. So if we'll add 14 and 1, it is 15 plus 4 square root 14. Now from x plus 1 we'll calculate the value of 1 over x plus 1. So it is 1 over x plus 1, and we have reciprocal it. So in the right hand side we'll have 1 over 15 plus 4 square root 14. And now for calculating the simpler form, we'll rationalize this expression. For that we'll square both the side and we'll take the difference. If we'll get the difference 1, so we can rationalize it. So the square of 15 is 225 minus, now the square of this term 4 square is 16 and multiplied by 14, and the multiplication value of 16 and 14 is 224. Now the difference is 225 and 224 is 1. So we can rationalize this expression. So the value of 1 over x plus 1 will get 15 minus 4 square root 14. So we have got in our simpler form. So the value of x we have calculated here is 14 plus 4 square root 14. So it is 14 plus 4 square root 14, and the value of 1 over x plus 1, so it is here, it is 15 plus 15 minus 4 square root 14. So here 4 square root 14 negative and positive value will be cancelled, and we left with 14 and 15. So now we'll add 14 and 15, that is 29. Now the answer of this expression is 29. This is our answer. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Do not leave the channel without subscribing and giving a thumbs up. This ends for today. Take care of yourself. Thank you. Bye bye.